This high-protein shrimp salad is ready in 15 minutes. Quick step explanation. Mix shrimp, avocado, red onion. Full printable version in my bio. Grab the full printable recipe in my bio and follow KrisinfoTVOfficial for more healthy meals.